should and shouldn't. We use should and shouldn't to give advice or to talk about what we think is right or wrong. Should means something like, I think it's a good idea for you to do it. As for shouldn't, means something like, I think it's a bad idea for you to do it. Let's find out some examples. You look tired. I think you should take a few days off. I have an English exam tomorrow. You shouldn't worry. You have worked really hard. You shouldn't go outside because it's raining. I should get a haircut. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share it with your friends. Goodbye.